Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sell technical equipment on GumTree using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for GumTree, and have some photos of the technical equipment we'll be using to sell. So we can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to gumtree.com. Make a search within your search engine. Enter, go to gumtree.com. Make sure that you are signed into the account. So now what we will do is, let's click on sell. Let's now minimize Safari for the moment. On the desktop, we have 4 photos. Let's just click on number 1. And this is the technical equipment I will be selling on the platform. So we have wires, cables, dongles, computer peripherals. Let's quit preview. Go all the way down to the dock again. Go back to Safari. Tell us what you are posting or browse to find a category. I'll just browse, go to for sale. Let's now go to computer or software, computer, laptop and netbooks, laptop accessories, other laptop and desktop accessories. Let's click on continue. And so let's now add the title, job lot of computer cables, wires, adapters and dongles. We can choose to label this as urgent, but it will cost you £1.80. Click on add image. This will take us to the desktop where we have these 4 images. Select highlights, upload. And the 4 images we'll be uploading. We can add up to 20 images. We can also add a YouTube video link. Let's just write a description. Job lot of cables, wires, adapters and dongles, all for sale. Let's now say we have now received the error. You must write at least 12 words in the description. That's for sale. Please contact me via the email or mobile to purchase. I'll just say $49.99. I can also add my phone number, which is what I'm going to do now. But beware of these phone calls from corporations who may decide to sell you their products. And now let's click on post the ad. And this is all free. So now let's go to manage my ads. And there we go. If I were to now click on this advert, this advert is now live across the internet on GumTree, so be sure to receive an email or a call on your number from a customer who is wishing to purchase your product. And we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.